Check out this Dodge 2019 Challenger GT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are wheels, 20-inch x 9 inches MID gloss black, tires, 245/45 ZR20 AS performance, STD, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, STD, Stars and Stripes edition included, wheels 20-inch X9 mid-gloss black IP cluster trim rings rear black spoiler dark brushed 2 interior accents center stripe with driver stripe satin black Dodge tail lamp badge GT black grille with bezel bronze accents stitching black Challenger block grille badge black fuel filler door stars and stripes IP badge flag fender decal, SiriusXM satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 800-643-2112